Hello everyone! Welcome to Ready to Travel Aid. I'm thrilled to be your guide today as we dive into the heart of Bavaria, uncovering the vibrant charm of Munich. Get ready to experience the energy of a modern metropolis, steeped in tradition. Today, we're diving into Munich's top must-see attractions, a city where rich history meets a vibrant, modern atmosphere. We'll wander through centuries-old squares, marvel at architectural wonders, and discover hidden gems tucked away in charming neighborhoods. From iconic cars to thrilling football matches, and not forgetting the delicious local cuisine, Munich has something to offer every kind of traveler. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an art enthusiast, Munich's charm is sure to captivate you. So pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through the captivating city of Munich. I can't wait to show you around. Munich's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of traditional Bavarian flavors and international influences. Get ready to indulge in some hearty, satisfying dishes that are as comforting as they are delicious. When you think of Munich, then beer likely comes to mind, and for good reason. The city is home to some of the world's most renowned breweries, and its beer gardens are a staple of Munich's vibrant social scene. Picture yourself relaxing under the shade of chestnut trees, sipping a cold, refreshing Weissen beer, and soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. But Bavarian cuisine is much more than just beer and pretzels. Prepare to be tempted by succulent roast pork knuckles, crispy potato dumplings, and rich stews. And don't forget to try the Weisswurst, a traditional Bavarian veal sausage best enjoyed with sweet mustard and a pretzel. Whether you're looking for a casual bite or a fine dining experience, Munich's diverse culinary landscape is sure to tantalize your taste buds. So come hungry and get ready to savor the authentic flavors of Bavaria. While the many traditional beer halls and restaurants are a real essential part of the Munich food experience, don't be afraid to venture beyond the beaten path. Munich's culinary scene is constantly evolving, with innovative chefs putting their own spin on classic dishes. Be sure to explore the city's vibrant markets, where you can sample regional specialties and fresh produce. The Viktualienmarkt, in the heart of Munich, is a feast for the senses, with vendors selling everything from exotic spices to locally produced cheeses. For a taste of something sweet, be sure to indulge in some traditional Bavarian pastries. The aroma of freshly baked Apfelstrudel, a flaky pastry filled with apples, raisins, and cinnamon, will lure you into one of Munich's many charming cafes. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy neighborhood eateries, Munich offers a diverse range of dining options to satisfy every palate. So, grab a fork, loosen your belt, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure through the flavors of Munich. Munich is not just a city of history and culture, it's also a hub of innovation, particularly in the automotive industry. At the BMW Welt and Museum, you can delve into the fascinating world of this iconic brand. The BMW Welt, a futuristic architectural marvel, is not your typical showroom. It's an immersive experience with the latest BMW models. Step into the adjacent BMW museum and journey through the history of this legendary brand. The museum showcases the evolution of BMW and its impact on the automotive world. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply appreciate fine craftsmanship, the BMW Welt and Museum offer a fascinating glimpse into the world of automotive excellence. Just strolling through the BMW Museum is like stepping back in time. You'll see vintage motorcycles, iconic race cars, and even aircraft engines, each one a testament to BMW's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One of the highlights of the museum is the House of Design, where you can learn about the design philosophy behind BMW's iconic vehicles. From the initial sketches to the clay models, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry and precision that goes into creating a BMW. And for those who want to experience the thrill of driving a BMW, the BMW driving experience offers a range of driving courses, both on and off-road. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a novice, you can put your driving skills to the test and experience the legendary performance of a BMW firsthand. The BMW Welt and Museum are more than just attractions. They're a celebration of automotive passion and engineering ingenuity. It's a place where dreams take shape, and the future of mobility is constantly being redefined. So, buckle up and get ready to be inspired by the world of BMW. The Allianz Arena stands as a testament to modern architectural brilliance. Its futuristic design, resembling a giant inflatable raft, lit up in vibrant team colors. From the outside, it appears just as if a spaceship has landed in Munich. Completed in 2005, the stadium's construction was a real feat of engineering and design. At night, the illuminated facade creates a mesmerizing spectacle. The Allianz Arena has hosted numerous prestigious events, including the Champions League final. The energy during matches is really electric, uniting fans in a shared passion. Even off the pitch, a behind-the-scenes tour reveals its unique design elements. It's a must-see for any sports enthusiast, offering up a glimpse into professional soccer. The panoramic views from above are simply breathtaking. Don't forget to visit the fan shop for some Bayern Munich memorabilia. Now, a visit to the Allianz Arena is about more than just football. It's about experiencing the passion and dedication that the people of Munich have for their team. It's about being part of something bigger than yourself, even if it's just for 90 minutes. Before the game, head over to the fan zone for a real party atmosphere. You'll find food stalls selling traditional Bavarian snacks like pretzels and sausages, beer gardens overflowing with happy fans, and souvenir stands where you can grab a scarf or a jersey to show your support. And speaking of beer, did you know that the Allianz Arena has its own brewery? That's right, you can enjoy freshly brewed beer while watching the game. It doesn't get much more Bavarian than that. Pro tip: make sure to try a Weissbier, a traditional Bavarian wheat beer. Whether you're a die-hard football fanatic or simply curious about this iconic stadium, the Allianz Arena is an experience you won't forget. Munich, a bustling metropolis with a rich history and vibrant culture, might surprise you with its tranquil side. Right in the heart of the city lies the English Garden, a sprawling green oasis, larger than New York's Central Park. Wander along its winding paths to find hidden beer gardens, perfect for enjoying a refreshing Weiss beer and a traditional Bavarian pretzel. The English Garden is a microcosm of Munich's relaxed lifestyle, a place to escape the city's hustle and bustle. One of the most charming aspects of the English Garden is its element of surprise. Just when you think you've seen it all, you turn a corner and discover a hidden creek, a cascading waterfall, or a picturesque bridge overlooking a serene pond. It's these unexpected encounters that make exploring the park such a delight. Keep an eye out for the surfers catching waves on the ice block, a man-made river flowing through the park. Yes, you heard that right. Surfers in Munich. It's a true reflection of the city's unique character and the surprising experiences waiting for you in the English Garden. For a taste of history and elegance, head to the Chinese Tower, a towering pagoda-style structure that's also home to a popular beer garden. Here, you can savor local specialties and enjoy traditional Bavarian music, all while soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. As the day winds down, find a spot by the Kleinhesseloher See, a beautiful lake in the heart of the park. Rent a rowboat and enjoy a leisurely paddle. Or simply relax on the shore and watch the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. No trip to Munich is complete without a visit to Marienplatz, the city's beating heart. This bustling square has been the center of Munich life for centuries. Stand in the middle and let your gaze sweep across the architectural wonders. The imposing Neues Rathaus dominates the square with its neo-Gothic facade and iconic Glockenspiel. As the clock strikes 11, the Glockenspiel springs to life with a mesmerizing performance. Explore the charming shops or grab a seat at one of the many cafes and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. While the Glockenspiel is undoubtedly a highlight of Marienplatz, don't miss the opportunity to explore the surrounding streets and alleys. This is where you'll discover the true charm of Munich, with its hidden courtyards, traditional shops, and cozy beer gardens. A short walk from Marienplatz brings you to the Viktualienmarkt, a bustling open-air market that has been a local favorite for over 200 years. Here, you can browse stalls overflowing with fresh produce, regional specialties, and exotic spices, immersing yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of Bavarian culinary culture. For a taste of traditional Bavarian hospitality, duck into one of the many historic beer halls, tucked away in the alleys around Marienplatz. Raise a stein of locally brewed beer and savor hearty Bavarian fare while listening to the lively chatter of locals. As you wander through these historic streets, imagine the footsteps of emperors and kings who once graced these very paths. Marienplatz and its surrounding area are living testaments to Munich's rich past, offering a glimpse into the city's evolution from a medieval trading post to a modern metropolis. From the vibrant energy of Marienplatz to the tranquil beauty of the English garden, Munich has something to offer every traveler. Whether you're captivated by history, culture, or simply the joy of experiencing a new place, this Bavarian gem will leave a lasting impression. Remember to savor the local delicacies, embrace the city's relaxed vibe, and don't be afraid to get lost in the charm of its streets and squares. Munich is a city that invites you to slow down, enjoy the moment, and discover the simple pleasures of life. Thanks for watching my Ready to Travel 8 video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's explore the world together, one unforgettable journey at a time.